Welcome back to Closed Letter Analysis. Why Sweden joined NATO? Global Showcase, Shockbabe, and Russia Ukraine fallout. This question blown your mind, I know. Now we discuss this deep discussion. Welcome back to Closed Letter Analysis again. Historical view. Sweden's historic decision to join NATO marks a significant turning point in European security and geopolitics. For decades, Sweden maintained a policy of military neutrality, navigating global conflicts with diplomacy rather than alliance. However, the evolving security landscape in Europe, intensified by Russian aggressive actions in Ukraine, forced Stockholm to rethink its traditional stance. This video explores why Sweden abandoned neutrality, the potential repercussion for neighboring countries, and the broader global impact, including on the ongoing Russian-Ukraine war. Now, Sweden policy of the neutrality dates back to the early 19th century. The country remained unaligned through both World Wars and the Cold War, balancing relationship with both Western and Eastern powers. The Swedish armed force focused primarily on territorial defense, strategic geography, advanced military technology. Despite this, Sweden maintained close cooperation with NATO through Partnership for Peace programs, participating in joint exercise without formally joining the alliance. This long-standing policy made Sweden a symbol of stability in North Europe. But what is the situation? Why? Why Sweden joined NATO? The catalyst for Sweden NATO bid is largely rooted in security concern, stemming from Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022. The conflict highlighted the voluntary of the European nation outside NATO collectively defense umbrella. Sweden faced growing threats in the Baltic Sea, including increases Russian military activities, cyber attack, airspace violation, domestic debates intensified. As a political leader and the public questions the viability of the neutrality in the face of aggressive neighbor. Why joining NATO? Sweden seeks security guarantee under Article 5, ensuring that an attack on Swedish soil would trigger as a collective response from all NATO members. So this is condition. Now we talk about political and domestic debates. Sweden's NATO application was not without controversies. Left wings and neutralities faction argued that joining a military alliance could provoke Russia, undermine Sweden's independent foreign policy, and entangle the nations in conflict unrelated to its own security. Meanwhile, center-right and security-focused politicians empathized the necessity of the NATO membership to safeguard Swedish sovereignty and integrity and deter Russian aggression. The debate also reflected generation and regional divides, with younger populations and urban areas largely supported NATO membership, while some rural areas remain skeptical. Now we talk about impact on regional security. Sweden accession to NATO reshapes the security dynamics of the Nordic and Baltic regions. Together with Finland, which also joined NATO, Sweden strengthened the alliance presence along Russia northwest border, particularly near the strategically significant Baltic Sea and the Gulf of the Bothnia. Neighboring countries like Norway, Denmark, and the Baltic states benefits from an enhanced collective defense posture, reducing the risk of the unilateral Russian aggression. This shift also allows for improvement coordination in the intelligence sharing, joint military exercise, and rapid deployment capabilities across North Europe. However, it increases tensions with Russia, which view NATO expansion near its border as a direct threat to its national security and integrity. What is your opinion? Now we talk about impact on Russia-Ukraine conflict. Sweden's NATO membership indirectly influenced from Russia-Ukraine war. This is now you know all about this condition. While Sweden has not deployed troops to Ukraine, NATO membership allows for stronger logistical intelligence and material support to Ukraine through the alliance framework. Russia may interpret Sweden's actions as a provocation, potentially increasing military posturing in the Baltic region or attempting to demonstrate deterrence through exercise and deployments. On the other hand, Sweden integrations strengthen the broader Western coalition, the providing morals and strategic support to Ukraine and signaling that Russia's actions have consequences beyond Ukraine itself. Now we talk about what is global impact. Sweden joined NATO, reverberates beyond Europe. Globally, it's single as a shift in past Cold War neutrality policies and under-resourced NATO counting relevance in maintain collectively security. Centuries across Asia, Africa, and the Americas men view this as a reformance of the alliance-based security strategies. Russia-China relations could deepen further in response with the both nations precising NATO expansion as a Western enforcement. Additionally, global increase of energy market may experience lighted voluntarily as a Baltic Sea region is a critical for oil and the gas transport, and any escalation with Russia could impact European energy supply. Now we talk about economy and the trade implementation and impact on it. Beyond securities, Sweden NATO membership also as an economic reformation. Defense spending will likely increase to meet NATO standards, creating opportunities for military industry contracts and technology transfer. So, trade relations with Russia could deteriorate as a Moscow may impose sanctions or restricted exports. Neighboring countries could see both benefits and challenges. Increased security boost investor confidence, but high tension could disrupt regional trade and shipping routes. This is a main concern. This is a main problem. Now we talk about conclusion. What is conclusion of Sweden joined the NATO? The impact of global and neighboring countries. What is conclusion? Conclusion is this: Sweden's decision to join NATO represents a watershed moment in modern geopolitics. It strengthens regional defense, deters Russia aggressions and aligns Sweden with collectively Western security efforts. However, it also escalates tensions with Russia, potentially influence the trajectory for Russia-Ukraine war and reshaping global security calculations. As the world watch closely, because Sweden's choice signal that neutrality in the 21st century may no longer to be visible strategy is in the increasingly volatile geopolitical landscape. This is the main reason I think. What you think? Comment down in comment box and subscribe closed letter analysis. See you, bye.